OK，设定都 OK 吗？
老师好，已经准备好了。
好，那是不是大家都到教室了
我看一下，对，
？OK，
对，
好，那同学大家好，我是那个这堂课的老师林柏林老师。那班上有那个外籍生吗
有，
？Okay, so I should speak in English. Hello everyone, this is Po Ting Ling. I'm the lecturer of the course. And I'm sorry, right now I'm in Italy having a conference. And right now it's actually 3 a.m. in the morning. I asked my student to set up this online call for the lecture so I can talk to everyone. So this is a very special course, and if you are here to add the course, no problem. You are welcome to add the course. So we will have 1 hour lecture every week. So TA, can you open the Google Sheet for me so I can explain the sheet with your file? Oh, great. So we work with University of Southern California, Nanjiada. So they have a research center called Advanced Manufacturing Center. The director is Professor S.K. Gupta. And there another professor, Professor Yong Chen. They are the two leading professors from University of Southern California. Because we are having a intelligent manufacturing innovation center, and this is the second year of the project. It's a Ministry of Education project. So this is the second year of the project, and we work with the Advanced Manufacturing Center from University of Southern California. And we decided to arrange this special course, so-called the Global Seminar Series in Smart Manufacturing. And Jerry is my TA. So later on, Jerry is going to help on the course. We are going to use this Google Meet for participant from USA, not for you. So everyone from MTUST still come to the classroom, okay? We will have 14 seminar talks, so one talk every week, and I will ask every one of you to write a small report by hand. And every report counts 6.5 points. So in total, you could have 91 points. And also during the seminar course, at the first half of the course, the speaker will talk about his research, and once he's finished, we usually have a second half of the course. It's so-called a QA section, so question and answers. So students, you guys are responsible for asking important questions or ask stupid questions. That's no issue. If you are afraid of asking questions, then you will never get an answer. If you are worried about if your question is stupid, then you will never get an answer. So no questions are stupid. Don't worry, just ask. Or if you are worried about your English, don't worry, just ask. I will be there every time. If there's a language barrier, I can help. So I would like to see everyone try to ask questions. So your performance in the classroom counts 9 points maximum. Okay, so in total it's 100 points. Okay, please go to the next page. So from here you can see in the Taiwan time, it's always 9 a.m., 9:10 to 10 a.m. So today is September 3rd. In USA, it's actually 6 p.m. So it's there 6 p.m. and one day before us. From the Taiwan side, you can see I already invited 7 professors, including myself, and most of our presentation topics are already shown right here. So next week I will show up and then give my seminar talk about human-robot collaboration for smart manufacturing applications. And since this is a global seminar, so every time supposedly there will be participants from USA. They could have their professors or some of their graduate students. We don't know who will participate from their side, but at least you guys will be showing up from the Taiwan side. For the green weeks, for example, September 24th, October 8th, for those weeks highlighted by the green colors, those belong to the USA side. Last week, I was in Washington, D.C. I met Professor Gupta. He said they already decided who will be taking care of their weeks. So they will be updating the information later on. So from here you can see we have very interesting talks from different departments, and we want to use this opportunity to learn from each other. So at the end of the semester, once the USA part finishes the seminar talk, Professor Gupta, Professor Yongchen, and maybe some of their research center members plan to come to Taiwan. So by that time, if there is an opportunity for you guys to meet these professors, I will let you guys know. Because their end of year trip is not defined yet. But they are sure they want to fly to Taiwan. So we can have deeper collaboration. And you guys join the course, you will have this opportunity to know the research members from Taiwan side and the USA side, and you will get the opportunity to learn what we're doing. So you become a part of us. You have the opportunity to work with us. I know maybe most of you are from our labs. Like, I'm not sure who you are. Many of you guys came from my lab, and some of you probably from some other departments or some other professors. All of you are welcome, okay? Any questions from the classroom? Feel free to ask. If you want to ask in Chinese, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, you can just talk. Yes.
Just about the report, how big does the report has to be? How many pages or?
About the report, I plan to give you guys a piece of paper every class, and you just write down what you want to write. And since it's handwritten, so I don't expect you to write a really long article or fancy essay. No, don't worry too much. Because if I ask you to write a report by computer and send it in a week later, probably 90% of the reports will be done by ChatGPT. So we decided, why not just ask you to write during the course, and sometimes you have many notes and write down a lot of things, and sometimes you don't, but at least whatever you write will be collected from the course, from whatever you learn. And I plan not to set up any format, just a piece of paper, and then write down your name, student ID, and something you want to say from the course. And if you are someone who really can write a lot, I don't mind. And if you are someone who writes shortly, that's also okay. Any other questions from the class? So, TA, can you count how many students are there?
19.
Okay, that's a good number. Okay, another question. How many students are going to add the course today?
About 2.
Only 2, okay, good. So please talk to the TA after this. They have my authorization to give you the code for adding course. Okay, so I think my explanation for the course is done. So look forward to see you 2 weeks later. Please go to the schedule. Next page, yeah. So, no, next week. Look forward to see you next week. And 2 weeks later, there's a holiday. So next week is the first lecture by myself. And then 2 weeks later, another 2 weeks later, that will be the first one from USA side. Okay. So look forward to the next week's presentation. By the way, if you have any classmates or lab mates who are interested in the course, no problem. We are welcoming you guys to join, as long as the classroom allows you to sit in. I don't know how big the classroom is, but anyone is welcome. Because I think this is a very easy course. Just come in, listen to a talk, write a report. So if you do it every week, it's an easy course to get a good grade. So why not allowing more students to join? Okay, so if you if you are a graduate student, maybe you can go back and tell your friends in your lab or friends from different labs. They are all welcome. Okay, so even they come next week, that's okay. We still, I think. When is the Jiaqi deadline? When is the Jiaqi? Does anyone know? Does anyone know what's the last day for adding the course?
Next Friday.
Next Friday. Okay, good. So if there are more people coming next week, they can still add the course. Okay, great. Thank you. So I will just close the call, and the TA will handle the Jiaqian, the adding course, and that's it for today. Thank you, guys. See you next week.
Thank you, Professor.
Okay, bye bye.